Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to forward your emails into Slack. This is the process by which you can forward your communication in email to Slack. So at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open the Slack software, or you can just open up any browser and go to Google and search for Slack. Then just go to slack.com. After that, just enter your email or sign in with Google or Apple. Just get into your account. After that, you'll see My Workspaces. Under here, you will see all of your workspaces. Just launch any of them. And after that, just give it some time. It will load. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. Then just give it a few seconds. It will load your workspace. And at the very bottom left, you'll find your profile icon. Just click on that. And after clicking on that, you'll see Preferences option in here. Just click on that again. Now from this menu, on the left hand side, you'll see Messages and Media. Just click on that. Then scroll all the way down and you'll see Get a Forwarding Email Address button. Basically brings email into Slack. You can upload any important email to Slack by forwarding it to a unique email address. Slackbot will deliver the email and you can keep it private or share with your team. So to do this, you need a forwarding email address. Just click on this to get it. Click on Get a Forwarding Address. And there you go. This is your address. You can just go ahead and copy this. Make sure you have copied this. Then just go to your email. Mine is Gmail for me. And after coming here, I need to go to Settings over here. Then just click on See All Settings. From here, I got an option called Filters and Blocked Access. Just click on that. And after clicking on that, I need to create a new filter. Just select this. Now in here, make sure to set the to the new email address. And after that, just make sure to select every settings which you want to set and click on Create Filter. Now from here, you need to take on settings that match your search criteria. Let's say star rate, mark as read. We also select delete. And after that, we just click on Create Filter. Click on OK, I confirm it. And after that, it's going to go ahead and create the filter for you. And from now on, every email that matches our search criteria will be sent to Slack. And basically, that is how to forward emails to Slack. I hope this video was helpful for everybody. Please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you.